Just wanted to have a quick look at UVs here before you start making and creating a lot of models here with these. It might be easier for you to check and redo some of these UVs for these bumps here, and I wanted to give a quick way of making this easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of the top areas here, and then shift up arrow to get all of the tops of the bumps. And that's everything that's in the UV here. So let's go over to our UV map, and you can see that's everything that's in there. So I'm going to go ahead right now and I'm going to delete UVs. Now I'm going to run the unwrap tool and just click, and it's going to give me all of my UVs here, just kind of randomly placed out through space, trying to optimize them. But as you can see, obviously that's far from ideal. So what I'm going to do is I want to be able to take each of these and essentially run the fit UV tool on it so that it fills up the space, but we don't want to have to do that for every bump, and this can get pretty tedious after a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a macro here. And what I'll do is I'm going to click on just the center of these, and then I'm going to start recording. So let's go System, Record Macro, and then I'm going to hit Shift Up arrow. This will all be part of the macro. I'll run the Fit UVs tool and keep proportion is on and click OK. And then I'm going to run Hide. Okay, now let's stop recording that. So let's go turn off recording macro. And now I'm going to select this middle one here and we can run it. So let's say replay. And it's going to just disappear, which is fine. These are just hidden. They're not cut out or anything. They're just hidden. And that's going to keep your scene a little easier while you work on that. So now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to open up my command line. And let's see, let's go store in config. And I want to call this bump UV fit. Okay. So if we go over here and I look in my scripts, see under macros I have bump UV fit. And so I'm going to right click on that and say map script to key. And I'm going to use option M for that one. And that's already assigned to another macro. It's basically the macro that I'd already made. I'm just going to write over it. So let's go ahead and click OK. And yes, I want to override it. You won't have to override it because you're not in there. So let's now check and option M. And now if I hit U, unhide them all, and there is everybody. Our UV map is in there, mapped the correct direction, and we just saved ourselves a load of time. Thanks. See you in the next video.